What's going on, guys? Andrew Rohack here to go over today's trading day real quick. So, profitable day, which is always a positive. Problem is, it's probably the worst trading day that I've had in about a month. I know that's not saying much, but at the same time, this might be the worst trading day that I've had where I am C-game trading. And the fact that I ended the day profitable is really just sheer luck. Right, so let's get into some of the trades. I'm not going to go over each of the trades because it's a lot. I just want to kind of go over where things kind of went for the day and how I got to this point, right? So here's the calendar, right? You can see I'm up 1.63K. That's on 150K combine. Started the day off solid, right? So took 3 good trades after we're CPI day, right? So 3 good trades right after, got short on this trend, exited here, got long on the break and hold of the low of day VWAP. Didn't close anything out on the trade, trailed the stop and got stopped out. Got short on the break of the low of day here, closed some once we got back above the low of day, and then added the contracts back in, closed half, and then trailed the stop and got stopped out on the trailed stop when it pulled back. Now, that's the first 3 trades that I took of the day. Here's all the trades that I took for the remainder of the day. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. That's all you need to know. I'm up 1450 by 9 o'clock. Walk away. I'm good at that point. I'm done for the day. I'm up 1%. Don't need to trade anymore, especially on CPI news day. I'm finished right there. Unfortunately, I'm not. I still want to keep clicking the button. So I sit here a little bit longer, and you can see by the graph at the top here, I'm up and then I give it all back almost immediately. Now I'm sitting flat, and now I'm a little ticked off. So I start clicking again and I make that money back. And look, even after I make that money back, I'm still trying to take trades after I've made the money back, and I give some of it away, and then I end up basically breaking the day off at exactly where I started the day. What kind of trading is that? Right? So, you know, the reason why I say this is one of my worst trading days is you don't need to take 20 trades. You need 3. You just need 3 good trades. And the way that I traded today, I'm basically gambling, right? I am just throwing risk on, trying to micromanage the hell out of it and catch the falling knife or catch the rip or catch the dip, whatever. It doesn't, however you want to phrase it, I'm trying to chase today's market. And you know, in a market like today where it's just, you can see, look, here's every single entry across the chart. Like, that just looks ridiculous. I'm literally gambling. Like, look how choppy this is. We never get buyers back in control where we cross above the daily. Sellers try to take control here. We never really break this low until later on in the afternoon, and we barely even break it then. And that's after we had one of the Fed speakers come on. So just a real choppy day overall. No reason to be trying to swing a bunch of different trades, you know, just gunsling. And, you know, I want to be a professional, right? Like, I want to treat this more as a professional than a gambler. Because if I gamble, I'm not going to survive. I'm not going to survive that way. That's why I have a journal. That's why I track all my trades. And you better believe that I'm going to go back. I'm going to mark every single one of those trades up, and I'm going to journal the hell out of them and explain why I took what I did so that I can remember in the future that this isn't what I want to do, right? So just don't be a gambler. Treat this as a professional, right? You're supposed to be an entrepreneur if you want to be in this space. So, again, yes, I end the day positive, but this might be the shittiest trading day I've had in at least a month. So, stay tuned for my weekly review where I go a little bit further in depth of how Monday and Tuesday went. And I'll see you guys out on the charts.